In the beginning, the world was nothing but darkness. Then God spoke, "Let there be light," and light burst into being. God separated the light from the darkness, naming the light day and the dark night. Evening gave way to morning on the first day. God spoke again, "Let there be an expanse in the midst of the waters, and let it separate the waters above from the waters below." At his command, a boundless blue sky, which God named the heavens, stretched like a canopy above the waters below. Evening gave way to morning on the second day. God spoke again, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear." Mountains raised their heads toward the sky. Cliffs stood firm as waves crashed at their feet. God named the land earth, and the gathered waters seas. But the earth was bare, so God clothed it with life. Swaying grasses, blooming flowers, fruit-laden trees, filling the earth with color and vibrancy. God saw what he had made and called it good. Evening gave way to morning on the third day. God spoke again, "Let there be lights in the expanse of the heavens to separate the day from the night." At the sound of his voice, galaxies were launched into space. God crowned the sun to rule the day and the moon to govern the night, setting them in motion to mark seasons, days, and years. God saw what he had made and called it good. Evening gave way to morning on the fourth day. God spoke again, "Let the waters swarm with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the expanse of the heavens." Eagles soared, whales breached, and the seas and skies welcomed the first creatures God had made. Evening gave way to morning on the fifth day. God spoke once more, "Let the earth bring forth living creatures." Feet of every size, paws, hooves, and claws marked the ground for the first time. This too he called good. Yet someone was missing. "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness." And so he created humanity, male and female. Like princes entrusted with dominion, he blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and subdue it." God looked over all he had made and saw that it was very, very good. Evening gave way to morning on the sixth day. On the seventh day, God rested, not from weariness, but in satisfaction. His work was complete, whole, lacking nothing. He delighted in it. He blessed the seventh day and set it apart as holy, a day of rest and worship. By his word, the God who speaks created all things, those we see and those hidden from our eyes. This word still echoes through all creation, holding every atom together, each marked with the fingerprint of God.